If you haven't tried this simple kitchen trick, your plants might be silently suffering from root pests right now. Yes, those tiny underground pests that you can't even see are slowly damaging your plant roots, stopping growth, and reducing your harvest. But here's the good news. You can fight them naturally using something you already have at home: dry mustard. Dry mustard contains natural compounds that create a strong environment pests simply can't tolerate. It doesn't just repel them, it helps protect your roots from further damage. Here's how to use it. Take just 1 spoon of dry mustard powder. Sprinkle it evenly around the base of your plant, directly on the soil. Now gently mix it into the top layer of soil. Don't go too deep, just the surface. After that, lightly water your plant. As the mustard absorbs into the soil, it starts working immediately, driving away harmful pests and improving soil health. Use this method once every 10 to 15 days for best results. But remember, don't overuse it. Too much mustard can be strong for young plants. This simple, natural trick can make a huge difference. Healthy roots mean stronger plants, and stronger plants mean a bigger, better harvest. Try it once, and you'll never ignore root pests again.